Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of Ugg Neumel boots. So I've got them at Victoria's Secret site. Victoria's Secret, and they came in the box. Really nice box, but it's now there. And then in this box. And here we are. So these are Ugg Neumel in US size 10, UK 8, European size 41. Color is TYPN. Here. So let's open them. Wow, so cute. Look guys. Yay. Here we are. This will be probably a thumbnail. So they look really cute. But be right back. Let's do switch focus point because it was all the time on my face. And I wanted focuses also on boots. So here they are, look guys, very pretty. The pink color. Here we have the loop thingy. You can put even your finger, like so. Here it says, on one side, this one, it says Ugg Neumel, Ugg. It says Ugg. Here we have those nice laces. Here is the sole. Nice pink sole. Here is the sticker. It says upper lining and sock lining 80% wool, 20 lyocell. They are from Ugg Plush. Yeah, so it looks like this. Very pretty. Inside, let's open this one. Inside, let's see how they look. We have this thingy. When you unloop them, this thingy, and very nice fur inside. See? Inside they have that Ugg tag here. But it cannot be focused now. How come? It's hard to focus inside. Oh, here. see Ugg tag inside. Here is the Ugg tag also. They are authentic. So they are really pretty. Very cute and pretty. Laces. Ugg sign. Inside we have pretty fur. I was debating if to return them because I bought them. Maybe I could return them and buy them cheaper. Actually, if I get Ugg rewards, $60 because I'm waiting still in the mail, then I think I will return these ones and get cheaper for Ugg rewards. Yeah, so I think I will keep them to the point. Of course, will not wear them yet, and I will keep them to get that Ugg rewards, and then I return these ones. Hope they will still have that size, because Ugg rewards works on the Ugg products. So yeah, that's the plan. So I will keep them because they're so pretty, but I will return them and buy it cheaper when Ugg rewards come. So I don't want to try them on yet because this pair I might return. That's why I don't want to destroy, because if I return them I don't want to wear them, you know, too much. I tried them on once, I mean just very short, and they fit me. I wear size 9.5 and this is size 10, so I recommend, because they don't have size 10, I mean 9.5, so I recommend sizing up, because sizing down would be too tight. So yeah, sorry for longer thinking and not trying them on, but I am afraid that, you know, I will try different pair, because I will also get, I will try them on with, I will try on different version, because I also got different color but also pink. So then in next video I will try them on. And this one don't want because my return. Yeah, they are really pretty, and hope you enjoy such video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next ones. Bye. This is how they look. Very pretty. Look.